Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Panda Knows Linguistics, but Panda also knows a lot of other things. So today is actually another plant unboxing video for you. Don't get too excited, it's only one plant, but this plant means so much to me because, well, it is one of the plants I have been wanting for a while, and also it is, in the uncommon, like not particularly rare, because I found this on Etsy, you'll see, but it's definitely uncommon. You cannot just get this in a lot of nurseries. But in the meantime, look what I got today from actually one of the big box stores. This is watermelon peperomia. Just look at the leaf, like this is my hand, like it's literally bigger than my hand. So I just want to show you that before our official unboxing. So, ta-da! So this is the box that the plant is coming in. I'm so excited. So it is from a shop called Fireproof Plants. It's on Etsy. It's my first time order plants from them, so we'll see whether how this turns out. So let's go. Alrighty, I have my scissors right here, so let's open this baby up. Yeah, recently one of my best friends were like, Jack, you are buying a lot of plants. I say, usually this is a sign that I'm a little stressed or about anything, but I'm not quite sure what I'm stressed about. And life is good right now, right? And also please wait for another unboxing. I already ordered another 3 actually plants. They're on the way, so I'm excited. Yes, okay, I will slow down, okay, after this. Well, let me have my happiness for now, okay? So, right here. Alrighty. This is big. Alright, guys, are you ready? Oh my gosh, I saw the leaves peeking out already. Oh my dear Lord. Ta-da! This is Philodendron bellotai. Oh my god. I can't believe this is this big. Oh my god. And oh my god. Let's just admire this for a little bit. The reason why I like bellotai is because the petiole. The petiole is orange, my favorite color. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, people say money cannot buy happiness. I beg to differ. Well, at some point, maybe it will plateau, but before that, I'm way before that point. Yes, I'm very happy right now. Okay, let's look at her closely. So, I saw a new growth right here. Can you see? Yeah. So this is a new growth on it. Oh, I just love this orangey red petiole. It's just gorgeous. And the elongated leaves, it's just amazing. This is like, for me, it's like the fancier version of, actually you can see right here. That is Burla Marks, Philodendron Burla Marks. I think this one, bellotai, is the longer, bigger version for it. I just love the whole package. Alrighty. That's all for today. Sorry, it's just one, but I'm just very excited. I want to share with you. And also, hey, I just want to break the culture that, everybody has to do a huge haul. That's a lot of money and the energy and, like editing. Well, it's fine. I want to start a new culture that it's fine to do an unboxing just for one plant or smaller or whatever you enjoy. So be yourself and yeah. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye!